Balanced hormonal health through diet. Welcome to Best Life. In today's video, we'll be exploring how diet plays a crucial role in achieving balanced hormonal health. Hormones are essential for regulating various functions in our body, including metabolism, mood, and reproduction. By making the right dietary choices, you can support hormonal balance and improve your overall health. Let's dive into the top foods that can help maintain balanced hormonal health. Number 1. Avocado. Avocado is rich in healthy monounsaturated fats and fiber, which help support hormone production and balance. The high potassium content in avocados can also help regulate blood pressure and improve circulation. Adding avocado to salads, smoothies, or spreads can be a delicious way to support your hormonal health. Next, fatty fish. Fatty fish such as salmon, sardines, and mackerel are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation and support hormone production. Aim to include fatty fish in your diet at least twice a week for optimal health benefits. Next, nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, especially walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds, are packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They are also rich in essential nutrients like magnesium, zinc, and vitamin E, which are important for hormone regulation. Snacking on nuts or adding seeds to your meals can provide a quick boost of nutrients to support hormonal balance. Next, leafy greens. Leafy greens, including spinach, kale, and Swiss chard, are nutrient-dense and high in vitamins and minerals that support overall health. These greens are rich in magnesium, which plays a vital role in hormone regulation. Including a variety of leafy greens in your diet can promote balanced hormonal health. Next, whole grains. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats are excellent sources of fiber and complex carbohydrates. They help stabilize blood sugar levels, which is crucial for hormonal balance. Incorporating whole grains into your meals can provide sustained energy and support your overall well-being. Next, berries. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are packed with antioxidants and vitamins. They help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, which can disrupt hormonal balance. Enjoying berries as a snack or adding them to smoothies can provide a delicious and nutritious boost to your diet. Next, eggs. Eggs are a nutrient-dense food that provides high-quality protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins like B12 and D. They also contain choline, which is important for hormone production and brain health. Including eggs in your breakfast or meals can support overall hormonal health. Next, legumes. Legumes, including lentils, chickpeas, and black beans, are rich in fiber, protein, and essential nutrients. They provide a steady source of energy and help stabilize blood sugar levels, which is important for maintaining hormonal balance. Adding legumes to soups, salads, or main dishes can enhance your diet and support hormonal health. Next, dark chocolate. Dark chocolate with a high cocoa content is not only delicious, but also contains magnesium and antioxidants. Magnesium is crucial for hormone production and can help alleviate symptoms related to hormonal fluctuations. Enjoying a small piece of dark chocolate can be a satisfying way to support your hormonal health. Finally, water. Staying well hydrated is essential for maintaining hormonal balance. Dehydration can lead to hormonal imbalances and affect overall health. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day to support your body's functions and promote balanced hormones. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help support balanced hormonal health and improve your overall well-being. Which of these foods are you excited to include in your meals? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss any of our health tips. Thanks for watching Best Life.